Yo! Good morning, everybody. Let's go straight to Liquidation. You guys down? Previously on Kimba TV. I would like that 36.2, 36.1, right? So 36.2, 36.1 is an interesting level, and then obviously like 35.8, 35.9 is an interesting level. You see what I mean by I don't know how I want to play it because the stop losses are so close to each other. You're going to wait for the structure to happen, okay? Whether you want to go from swing high, swing low, golden pocket, or sweep level to lower low, golden pocket, whatever you want to do, all right? And then chase it, whether it's the structure or, you just market smash, however way you want to execute a swing failure pattern. Shauza, Nama, everybody's caught up on the YouTube. Everybody's caught up on the plan. You guys ready? I feel like it was 2 weeks ago when we were like, all right, guys, we're starting November. Here we go. And we were just talking about, hey, 2 weeks from now, we got CPI. Wow, it's here. Here we go, ladies and gentlemen. It's been an honor, ladies and gentlemen. 15 seconds, 14 seconds, 13 seconds, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and Bugatti. Here we go. And it's Bugatti time. And it's Bugatti time. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, y'all ready to get nasty? Here we go. S&P. Oh, that's why I have my longs open still, bitches. Let's get nasty. Let's get nasty. Let's go, ladies and gentlemen. Let's go, ladies and gentlemen. Bugatti money, let's go. Slap them cheeks, let's go. What the hell is even Bugatti, let's go. Let's go, S&P. Bugama up in this bitch. Yo, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. The math is the math. The math is the math. Let's go. Come on. Who juicing? Who juicing? Oh, S&P, let's go, America. Freedom is juicy. Bullish on freedom. Let's go. Oh, it's nasty, Bugatti. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go, S&P. And we doing, ladies and gentlemen, it's Bugatti time. I'm sorry. I had a call coming in real quick. I have a buddy that's in a S&P long with me. He goes, should I TP? So I had to take that call. I should have actually put that shit on speakerphone. It was the funniest phone conversation ever. How we doing? Let's go. Let's get nasty. The math is the math. Quit playing with me. Pixel, quit playing with me. Come on. Bugatti. All right, that was a good 5-minute candle. All right, let's get ready for market open. Let's get ready for market open. Y'all know what it is. It's Bugatti time, boys. Yeah. Pixel perfect. God damn. Let's get nasty, Bugatti boys. Vishanti, what's going on? Andy says, please explain phase 2 and 3. Oh, it's dead ass simple. So phase 1 is U.S. futures market before the numbers come out. Phase 2 is where we are right now. It's just U.S. futures market reacting to the number. And then phase 3 is the actual U.S. market reacting to the numbers. All right, hey, markets are open, ladies and gentlemen. Here we go. Markets are open. Look at that. Holy fuck. 4480? 45 hundo, 4480. Wow. We're going to have a volatile day today, I think. And then Friday is going to be volatile too. Yeah. Some opportunity to juice this week, ladies and gentlemen. Just fifth, anybody seeing this, it would be awkward to go back and sweep that, right? Because the more times that you test a level, the weaker it gets. So why would you want to test it a third time and make a lower low when you're making higher lows as well? Do you understand the awkwardness of trying to get another sweep in there? You could, okay, but the more times that you test a level, it gets weaker. You're making higher lows. Yeah, to answer your question, brother, if I was going to try to catch a long, it's either that sweep down there or nothing at all. I don't know if I would try to get that golden pocket. But maybe you should, because maybe that's the last area to long. But the most important thing isn't try to like FOMO in on the long that you missed. It's about remembering that the next time when you want to play a swing failure pattern, you need to start entering below the sweep level. Every time when we talk about whether you're gonna set blind limits or you're gonna wait for a Fibonacci or whatever it is, we always talk about setting limits starting from the identified sweep level. So I wouldn't really trip so much like if you're not in a long. You just need to make sure about like how to take that swing failure pattern next time. And that's really all it is. Yep, yeah, lower highs. Yeah. So yeah, the only other thing that you could be waiting for on the long is, the recalibration of the 2.5, right? Like this doesn't go, this doesn't drop, the spot doesn't drop as much, but derivatives go. But yeah, just remember that if it's really gonna go, it's either going to stop out all the retail longers or it's just going to leave y'all behind. So like you almost, like you don't really want to lose that. So yeah, if I wasn't in a long and I was looking, I would just wait for a sweep. That would be it. And I would be okay with if I get left behind. But you see like what it's doing right here, what it's trying to do. And then on the smaller time frame, you know that this is trying to turn golden pocket into support, right? This is cleaner. So, I mean, okay. Looks pretty clean. Yeah, so yeah, maybe if you do lose this, but honestly, I mean, you really wouldn't want it to go further than the 382, right? Maybe even the 0.5. Does this line up with the 0.5? Yeah, because you really wouldn't want to lose that. But look at what it's doing right now. Gucci? Yeah, I'm really excited. I'm feeling pretty good about S&P stuff, and starting January, I'm sure we're gonna be playing it. So, J6 says, "Are you gonna wait for the sweep at 37.5 and TP there, or wait for the higher high?" Wait for the higher high, brother. J6, do you remember what my plans were? If you go back and you see, I said this. And it was if we get this first, then I said I'm not shorting here, right? If we didn't sweep this and we went, then I was going to short here. Remember? So if the plan was, if we don't grab this first and we go up from here, we were going to short this to be able to long here, right? But we came down here first. So I'm not going to short here anymore. Okay? I'm going to aim for that. But you know it's going to take time. And you know that this could do this, get to 37,000, pull back, go there, pull back, right? Swing high, swing low, golden pocket, and then go. So if you're not okay with that, then there are obvious levels that you should TP. So first things first, can I get above this golden pocket? And you know we were talking about this yesterday too, right? When we were down here. Do you guys remember what we said? It's going to get rejected here. We need to see if this is going to hold. So yesterday, I mean, we got through it and we couldn't hold it. We nuked. So not only do we need to get above here, we need to turn this level into support. Bugatti, Bugatti, Bugatti. Johnny English says, so longing golden pocket here would not be smart. There's no right or wrong, Johnny. If you think you want to take it, take it. Okay? You should never be sitting, because first things first, Johnny, you're probably like unsure if you do it, right, Johnny? You're unsure. Brother, everybody is unsure. No one knows. Even somebody like me, Johnny. The best thing that you can do if you want to take a shot, if you want to see if it works out or not, okay? If you really feel confident about it, just do a small position, okay? You know, just because I said that I wouldn't doesn't mean you cannot, okay? And if all of us are doing the same exact thing and we're all going to get liquidated together, that's not a good look for the group, okay? And so it's always good to have differing ideas, strategies, and opinions. Okay, but I can't stress enough. Okay, just because I am not doing it or I might have insinuated that it was a bad idea, don't let that contaminate your TA and your hard work. Alrighty? So if you want to take a shot and just see what the probability is, okay? If you're starting out as a new trader, there's nothing more valuable than seeing price action and exposing it to yourself to it. Alrighty? Let's go! Let's go! So I'm rooting for you, Johnny. You got me? There's just because no one knows what the fuck they're talking about, okay? So if you feel like you want to take a shot, brother, do not let my opinions discourage you, okay? The reason why I'm hesitant to take it here is because I have taken these thousands of times and I have a pretty good idea of what it usually ends up being like, okay? But you will never have that subconscious bias if you don't experience it yourself. Okay? So whatever you end up doing, I'm going to root for you. Okay? Let's get nasty. Let's get nasty, y'all. Oh! Bugatti. Philadelphia cream cheese incoming. Let's go. Stay focused now. Stay focused now. Here we go now. Here we go. Now, some people might be taking Kimba Bogs. Who knows? Let's get nasty. Yes. Yes. Oh, God. Oh, God. Market maker, I'm not sharing any alpha. Let's go. Let's go, baby. Get nasty. The math is the math, ladies and gentlemen. The math is the math, ladies and gentlemen. Ooh. I'm bringing my Kraken laptop in front of me. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Juice, 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 juice. It's gonna be nasty, y'all. You know it's gonna be nasty, y'all. What do we say about this right here, ladies and gentlemen? Can you read the data and interpret it correctly? Bugatti. Lions, let's get it. Easy money, Bugatti money, ladies and gentlemen. The math is the math. Come on, baby. This is it, baby. Hey, here we go. Karate chop. Karate chop. Karate chop. Karate chop your face. Karate chop. Yes, 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 yes. Let's go. Let's go. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. Let's go. Karate chop. Karate chop. There it is, ladies and gentlemen. Karate chop. There it is, ladies and gentlemen. Karate chop. Karate chop. Ladies and gentlemen, the math is the math. Show me you got it. Show me you know what to do, Lions. Show me you know what to do, Lions. Bugatti. Let's go, ladies and gentlemen. Ladies and gentlemen, this is it right here, ladies and gentlemen. Oh my goodness, the Bugatti is the Bugatti. Can we get it? Can we get it, ladies and gentlemen? Uh-oh, hot dog. Let's go. What's it gonna be? We gotta switch to 15-minute candles. The math is the math. Show me, Lions. Here we go. Oh, will you look at the goddamn open interest? Talk to me. Who juicing Magoosin? Who's juicing Magoosin? Ladies and gentlemen, what's it gonna be? What will the 30-minute candle do? The math is the math. Will it hold? Place your bets. Let's go. Who juicing? Quit playing with me. Well, goddamn, ladies and gentlemen. The math. The math is the math. We juicing. I'm up 40K already. Bugatti. Oh, it's too easy. Sweetie, swaggity, swaggity, sweetie. Let's go, ladies and gentlemen. You already know what it is. You already know what it has to do. You already know what it has to do. The math is the math. Show me that you're learning. Let's go. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the culmination of everything we've been talking about, everything we've been planning, ladies and gentlemen. I hope it's making sense. I love you guys, man. I hope it's making sense. I love you guys. 24 minutes on this 30-minute candle. You already know what it is. You already know what it is. Show me. We juicing right now, baby. Boy, I'm about to go let us up. I'm about to go let us up. This is too easy. I'm about to go let us the fuck up. What is S&P doing? Oh my God, it's a double juice. It's a double juice. Let's go, baby. Quit playing with me. Let's go. Already up 80K. Let's go. Easy. Easy. I'm about to go let us up. I'm about to go let us up. I'm about to go let us up. All right, stop loss. You already know where the stop loss is. Let's see if it works out. I'm going to go back to the 15-minute candle. 30-minute candle. Let's go on the 30-minute candle.
Let's get it. Kimber was
Veteran Lions, help the new Lions out. Veteran Lions, help the new Lions out because I'm about to go let us the fuck up. Where is stop? What do you think? What do you think, C Sushi? I'm not trying to be mean, but you tell me where you think it is. I do the same shit every single time. There should be no questions. Boy, I'm up like 100K already. If we get the full rotation, okay, so bulls, this is what we need. We need to get back above 36.4. If we turn 36.4 into support, oh my God, 37,000. I'm going to make a mill if it goes to 37,000. But I need to make sure I don't get stopped out first. All right, we got a long ways to go, ladies and gentlemen. You already know what it is. Okay, we got 20 minutes to make sure that the structure holds. Then we got to wait another 30 minutes because you know that fucker's going to do this. All right, let's see what happens, man. I'm rooting for all of you guys. If you're in a short, I'm rooting for you. If you're in a long, I'm rooting for you. It's Bugatti time, okay? I hope it all makes sense, man, okay? So, you know, if you were attempting longs, not that big of a deal, but if you were watching open interest, you knew what the probabilities were. I tried to help y'all with the you know, the golden pocket, and it was taking way too long, right? Way too long. Boom. Feeling Boar says, don't celebrate already, bro. Why? It's a dub. It's a dub. It's a dub. Worst case scenario, I make like 50K if I get stopped out. Juicing. We juicing. Let's get nasty. Oh my God. All right, let me show these positions, man. Oh, I'm lettuced up like a motherfucker, man. Ladies and gentlemen, do you... Dude, I'm about to be up 300K. Oh my God. All right, let me show the position. Hold on, let me load up Firefox. This is insane. The hot streak that I've been on the whole year, dude, I already got hit with fees. I already paid $1,500, $1,400 in fees. Oh, it was 14 minutes ago. That's fucked up. I got in and immediately they charged me fees. That's hella goofy. Oh well. Okay, there we go. All right, let's pull the golden pocket. I realized a little bit on the crack and I took 100 off. And I'm never gonna be like, yo, if you're in a long, the open interest doesn't look good, plus you're getting rejected at golden pocket again, you might want to close your shit. I'm not gonna say that. But I would assume 99% of you guys, if you've been here, especially through last week and shit, like, what the open interest is going to tell you. So there's nothing wrong with taking shots here, okay? But we actually said it. If the open interest wasn't there, you should probably focus on maximizing profits. So there's really no way you could have fucked this up. If you got in, that's awesome. Like, maybe break even, right? You had all the levels identified. This is the one that I wanted. Do you guys remember when I said 35.8, 35.7, 35.6? My Kraken's even better. My Kraken entry is even better. Nemea says, what is next plan? Okay, hold on a second before we get carried away. Are you in a long, Nemeas? So, like, I'm in a long, right? We already talked about TP. If you need to hear it again, if we get above 400, okay? So this could still make a lower low. Did you hear what I was saying earlier? I would probably say golden pocket pullback at like around 40% probability, and then sweep of a sweep at 30%, and then the rest of it would just be like all bullish scenarios, okay? So there's probably a lot of people, especially reacting like that, okay? You're probably watching this, okay? So if there's anybody that isn't in a long right now, I bet there's a lot of people pulling this, and they're like, oh my God, please come back to 35.9, please come back to 36,000, and they're probably trying to get filled, okay? In an ideal situation, brother, it bounces on the 0.5 or even the 3.82, okay? You wouldn't want, if the objective is to stop people out, you don't want to let motherfuckers get back in. It makes no sense. It should just go. Okay? And then like on the opposite Fibonacci, you can see what it's doing right here, right? It's pixel fucking. So, if it does go up there, you would expect this. This would be the pivot point. Alrighty? So that's really it. And then like first TP1 should be 37,091. Okay, but that only happens if you turn 36.4 into support. So 36.4, this whole zone is really important. There's probably going to be people attempting shorts in here. God bless them. I'm not one of them, but it's going to probably be resistance. So. Roger that, brother. That's probably that's what I'm thinking. Oh, fuck. Domzer says, I did with blind limits, though. Nothing wrong with that. Low leverage, stop loss was low. Nice. And a lot of you guys, for the last, couple days, were asking about how we would play the sweep. People were asking about, hey, what would be your stop loss? And that was the discussion that went into all of it. So Suave says this was a big lesson on open interest for sure. For sure. And I hope it's starting to make sense why for the last 4, 5, 6 weeks, I've just been saying, dude, all I care about is the open interest. I don't give a shit about the CVD. I don't care about the RSI. I'm going to just identify a level, predict a sweep, make sure that the open interest is indicating that people are getting squeezed, and then I'll take it. So think about how simple that strategy is. Identify a sweep level, wait for structure, make sure OI is helping you. If you get in on structure formation, even though OI isn't helping, it's all good. Just try to focus on maximizing profits. Literally in 3-4 sentences, I summed up what I've been doing for the last couple weeks and months. Right? Identify a level, look for sweep structure, right? And like things like the golden pocket pullback should hold and all that stuff goes into the sweep structure qualifications, right? Watch for open interest, right? I mean, that's it. So, yeah, let's just keep doing our thing. And everybody, and before we let us up again and kind of get carried away, everybody is in a defensive mindset, right? We're not going to get blindsided, right? Everybody is prepared for a pullback, golden pocket, right? Everybody is also prepared for a deeper, lower low potential sweep of a sweep during Macaulay, right? Right? Everybody's Gucci, right? Everybody has at least loosely some sort of plan, right? Everybody knows that I shaved a little bit on the Krikizzi. All right. So we Gucci, right? Everybody's good. Let's not get carried away because the next 3-4 hours is when we're going to earn these profits, longers. The next 3-4 hours are going to be crazy. It's going to be stressful. Okay. So just mentally prep for it. Okay. The last thing you want to do is be all hella excited and euphoric, and then you have like a big crash in terms of emotions, and then boom, you're triggered. Oh shit, they got you. So let's make sure we're prepped for worst case scenario with this thing could pull all the way back near our entry. All right, I shaved a little bit for that reason. I'll add back on the Kraken. We've got fib levels. I'm sure people, whether it's your exchange or Coinbase, CME, or Binance, I'm sure you've got the swing low, swing high, golden pocket, right? So everybody knows where the 0.5 is. Everybody knows where the golden pocket is, right? You're going to be watching the open interest on the smaller time frame, basically doing the same thing. Okay? So I'm rooting for y'all. If you are more bearish than I am and you have a big ass short from Pico top, that's awesome. Totally valid. You know, if you're not in a long yet, but you're trying to get in, hey, do you, boo boo? I'm rooting for you. If you're already in a long, freaking out, let's get nasty. Udine says take profit Monday high possible. Yeah, but that 37,090 or whatever only comes into play if you can reclaim 36.4 as support, right? You're talking about a CZV, you're talking about a full rotation, right? You got to get value area low as support. That's at like 400 and what, 30 or something, right? So while it's below 450, 430, whatever the fuck that is, the bears are actually in command. So everybody good? We, not me, we already have a plan for if we get stopped out. So let's be ready. Let's be ready. Did you hear the plan? I feel like you don't know what the plan is.
It's over. Bitcoin is going to zero.
Do you know? No, did you see my, oh my God, some of my Krakens got hit. Y'all see that? It was on Agger. Oh, I had to shave just in case. Did you? I don't know if somebody capped it, but there was a couple Kraken ones that went through on Agger. Bugatti. Shout out Kimba Box Enjoyers. Yeah, I had to shave some on the Kraken because I needed to make sure that I was gonna break even with the MEXC loss. But shout out math. 30 seconds on the 5-minute candle close. We'll see what it is, ladies and gentlemen. Everybody knows where my Kraken if you want to watch it on Agger. How's S&P looking? It won't matter. It won't matter. It won't matter at this point. It's all up to Biddy. How is real-time CME? That's actually a good question. We should be looking. Woo! Hey, give it up for the box. Wow. It's pixel fucking, y'all. I didn't notice this. Wow. Yeah. Do you see that? So CME, it's nice that it's pixel fucking, but since it's close to that second box, it might go lower. Look. Remember how we talked about if we get to the bottom of this box, this one's also in play? That's okay. That's okay. Oh, ow. Live stop loss. Oh, live stop loss. Oh, Bugatti, hopium. Hopium. I think I'm going to get hit. Almost all of my Kraken is stopped out. What's it going to do? What's it going to do? What's it going to do? Oh, it's going to get hit. Oh, I'm out.
It's over. Bitcoin is going
I'm out. Okay, let's get ready for this one.
0.
Same exact thing, ladies and gentlemen. Okay. Oh my God. Let's just be ready for the sweep of a sweep just in case too. Come on, baby. Let's get nasty. There it is. Let's get nasty. Let's get nasty. Let's get nasty. Okay, wait for it. Wait for it. Wait for it. Wait for it. Here comes the sweep. Sweep that bitch. Sweep that hoe. Hey, let's get nasty. Let's get nasty. Let's go. Oh, here it is. Here it is. What you gonna do? Ooh. That's Bugatti money. That's Bugatti money. That's Bugatti money. Oh, snap dizzle for shizzle. 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 Ladies and gentlemen, 45 seconds on the 5-minute candle close. Will it form structure? Bugatti. Yeah. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. 30 seconds on the 5-minute candle close. Will it do the stank thang? All right, be patient, ladies and gentlemen. Be patient, be patient. And let the candles close. Same shit every single time, ladies and gentlemen. Small losses, big wins. We good? 8 seconds. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's the 5-minute candle close. 5 more minutes on the 30-minute. It's got 5 minutes to form 30-minute structure. Bugatti. I just realized you guys were not going hyper symphonic. Come on, we got to get triggered, baby. We got to get triggered. Let's go. Ladies and gentlemen, the math is the math. Same thing, but, let the structure do its thing. All righty? You got to love this shit, ladies and gentlemen. The thang is the thang, ladies and gentlemen. Yes. The math is the math, ladies and gentlemen. 45 seconds on this 30-minute candle. Ooh, we're back at it again, ladies and gentlemen. We're back at it again. Same thing as last time, ladies and gentlemen. Play it safe. Be prepared. Think of worst case scenario. Make sure that you're Gucci on the worst case, all right? Get nasty. 25 seconds left. And your 30-minute candle has closed, ladies and gentlemen. Structure is good. Structure is good, ladies and gentlemen. All right, now we're going to do this. Wherever the local top is, right? NKH says, so what's the now plan? I missed it. It's the same as earlier, brother. That's why you got to pay attention. You know what the plan is, and it has been for the last 2 weeks? Identify sweeps, wait for structure, do your damn thing. Does open interest look good to you or does it not? It's honestly the same thing. Any noobs like bet the house and got wrecked? Hopefully not. Everybody Gucci? One hand, let's go. Retail, let's go. One hand project, let's go. Ghost BTC says, imagine Golden Pocket doesn't hold. This isn't Magic School Bus. You don't have to imagine. Just make sure you're prepared, Jameis Winston. All right, I already know where I'm gonna long next. Maybe we'll go short from there. Yeah, you know what the levels are, right, big boy? Groom says, what is the current plan? Same exact thing for the last 2 weeks. Identify sweep levels, whether it's short or longs. Okay, obviously there's bad lows down here. So either you're already in a big ass short from the super high top, right? Or you're going to be trying to attempt longs as we approach every bad low, every sweep. All right, so you're super close to the bad lows. You're super far away from the bad highs. So you're already in a short. If you want to try to scalp it, you're more than welcome to. Yeah, but nothing has changed since last week, my guy. I'm identifying bad lows, sweep levels, just identifying levels, right? I'm watching the price get there and form structure. If it does and the open interest looks good, i.e. it's going down, okay? While we got there, that means that longs got squeezed, right? Awesome. So hasn't that been the plan for about 2-3 weeks now? And that's applicable for a short as well, right? We already have short levels identified. Remember? So if it wants to come up and come up here, possible short, we've had these levels marked for so long. So we were like this. Okay. We just tried a long attempt here. It didn't work. We got like baby profit. I think we went like negative 80 on MEXC and then like 110 or 100 or whatever on Kraken. So no big deal. Next level that we identified, structure, okay. Open interest, okay. All right, math. Buddy. And if you can't afford a $240 move per coin, then you shouldn't take it. Simple as that. If you feel like if you got fulfilled and it stopped you out and that move right there, you can't afford it, you know if you can afford that play or not, if you can risk it or not. The math is the math, Bugatti. Remember what we said about this? Yeah, so if somebody, after everything that I just talked about, okay, maybe they didn't believe what I said, or maybe they didn't take the time to go and Google swing failure pattern and understand it themselves. But if you're going to make the conscious decision to like wait down there, then I assume that you're okay if you don't get filled. Right? So everybody has like their risk reward. It doesn't really matter what happens, but you should know that by the book strategy says do that. And I think I beat that into y'all's brain like 50 times earlier. Right? So there's a reason why the book says that's your net. Right? So you got to decide if you want to do that, that's fine. If you want to go like this, but make it hella bottom heavy, that's fine too. It's Bugatti money. This is where you got to nut up and, man up and make your own decisions. So, yeah, I don't know what to tell you. The book says that that's your net. So if you're going to wait down there and you don't get filled, well, what did I say? You need to be okay with whatever happens. That's the risk that you took. All right? Make sure you are learning. It's one thing for me to say it and you just nod your head and you're like, uh-huh. It's another thing to actually put it into play. Let's get nasty. If the whole point of a sweep is to stop people out, it wouldn't make sense to go back and let people get in again. Roger that. So there are going to be times. So if it does this and open interest goes down, what does that mean? Longs got squeezed and stopped out, right? There is a situation, okay, where you get stopped out on the longs, but starting around the 0.5 golden pocket in this zone, you actually get bottom shorters trapped. Okay, Amino Noob, you can see that there's a bad low right there. Okay, so I could see it coming back and just going bink. All right, so if that squeezes out longs, that makes sense because that's, we could go and grab that. Okay. However, conceptually speaking, if you're going to stop everybody out, why would you let people back in? So instead, if it actually does get here, you know what I'm going to be anticipating? Longs getting squeezed, but somewhere around here, I would want open interest to start going up, indicating that there's shorts, bottom shorters. Okay? And then we go. It doesn't make sense to stop people out and then let longs get in. But they'll let it go back there if they think they're going to be able to trap shorts. And so you can go back and take a look. Alrighty? But this is as classic as it gets. Everything is good. So if you missed the stream, even bits of it, I would just go back. But it's like perfect sweep structure. Look at the 30-minute candle closes. So if you go back, Omkar, and you take a look at all the different sweeps, you're going to notice two very distinct categories. There's the ones that go bounce off of 382, and there's the ones that go all the way down to the golden pocket. So I think if you try to find, is it a poor low? Is it a bad low? Or excuse me, is it a poor low? Is it a weak low? Or is it a poor high or a weak high? You can start to see what the probability is. In my opinion, Omkar, I'm not going to take any more longs if I get stopped out on this until the 33.8 sweep. So to answer your question, would you prefer it to happen in New York session? It doesn't matter to me as long as the open interest is the narrative that I want. I hope to see you guys tomorrow as well. Hey, International Alliance PPI tomorrow. So just like today, an hour before US market opens, you're going to probably have a little bit of baby volatility. Stay safe, all right? The math is the math. The plan is the plan. All right, everybody juice the fuck up. Okay, let me close this. And let me trigger. All right, market makers. Hey, longers, I'm rooting for you. Shorters, I'm rooting for you. Bears, bulls, we're all lions, ladies and gentlemen. Sato, tell them what happens if they don't use stop loss. Tell them what happens if they try to catch a knife.